The saguaros defend their vast bodies with needle-sharp spines. A 50-foot fortress, which makes it the perfect home for one animal, a cactus pygmy owl. The size of a dollar bill, she's taken advantage of others' hard work, setting up home in an old woodpecker nest. She's up early, and this is why. She has a family. Chicks. With big appetites. For the past month, she and her mate have been delivering a constant supply of food. It's hard work. Giant lizards and kangaroo rats twice her weight. But there comes a time in every young owl's life when they must be persuaded to fly the nest. So, Mom changes tactics. Food deliveries cease. She's making it clear. It's time to leave. But these deserts are a hotspot for predators, especially snakes. They home in on pygmy owl nests. It's now or never. This will be the first time they've used their wings. And a landing in the wrong place could prove fatal. First up, her strongest chick. Her second is safely out too. Well, just about. But the third seems to have doubts. In spite of Mom's calls, it's a flat no from him. But she has a tried and tested trick to win him over. Lunch. And he's out. That's not good. The ground is the most dangerous place for him to be. Now, to get that last chick out of danger. At last, the family are safe together. Thanks to their mom's ingenuity and spirit.